Hey everyone, welcome to the guide on how to download and install the original Office Professional 2021 for free. Let's dive right in. Open your web browser and search for Office Customization Tool. From the search results, click on the Office Customization Tool option. Once the site is open, choose the architecture you want to deploy, 32-bit or 64-bit. Select the Office 2021 product and choose the language pack from additional products. Scroll down and toggle the switch to indicate where you want to install Office 2021, then click Next. Select the language preference and click Next. Click Next 3 times. Scroll down and click on the Finish button. Click on the Export button located at the top right side of the screen. In the pop-up screen, choose Keep Current Settings and click OK. Check the box that says, I accept the terms in the license agreement, and click Export. A file will be downloaded. Copy this file and go to your desktop. Create a new folder on your desktop and name it Office 2021. Paste the copied file into this folder. Go back to your browser and search for Office Deployment Tool. Click on the Download Office Deployment Tool option from the search results. Once the site is open, click on the Download button to download the file. After the file is downloaded, right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. Check the checkbox and click Continue. From the next screen, choose the folder where you created Office 2021 earlier and click OK. Once the files are successfully extracted, click OK. Go to your desktop and cut the Office 2021 folder by pressing Ctrl or L+X. Navigate to the local disk C and paste the folder there by pressing Ctrl or L+V. Open the folder and click on the address bar to copy the address. Open the command prompt and run it as an administrator. Type cd and paste the copied address, then hit enter. Finally, type setup.x, configure configuration.xml, and press enter. Microsoft Office will start installing. The installation process may take some time. After completion, Microsoft Office 2021 will be installed on your PC. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about downloading and installing Office 2021, leave a comment below.